Tired of being chained to your computer? In this video, we'll show you how to break free and access your computers from anywhere using Chrome Remote Desktop. First, open the Chrome browser on the computer you want to access remotely. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. This is crucial for the connection to work. Next, type Chrome Remote Desktop into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Chrome Remote Desktop link. Usually the top result from Google. It should lead to a page that looks like this. Now, click the Download Chrome Remote Desktop button. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension to install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Return to the Chrome Remote Desktop web page. You might need to refresh the page. You should now see options for remote access and remote support. Under Remote Access, click the download icon. It looks like an arrow pointing downwards. This will download the Chrome Remote Desktop installer. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Chrome Remote Desktop on your computer. Once installed, you'll be prompted to name your computer. Choose a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Next, you'll need to set a PIN. This PIN is your security key, so make sure it's strong and something you can remember. Now, on your other device, like a phone or tablet, download the Chrome Remote Desktop app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your computer. You should see the computer you just set up listed. Tap on it, enter your PIN, and voila, you're now remotely connected. Now you can access your files, run applications, and troubleshoot issues, all from the comfort of wherever you are. Enjoy the freedom of Chrome Remote Desktop.